I installed this ready-to-wear short curly girl in perfect time for Mother's Day. Today I've teamed up with Unice and they sent over this beautiful 6x4 pre-styled side part baddie. She's in a loose wave texture. She has a pre-everything cap construction that's upgraded with the drawstring in the back as well as the paper thin adjustable strap in between, giving anti-slip, no slip anywhere. This glueless baddie is of course a closure, and we went ahead and did a cute little wash and go wet and wavy type of style, even including the diffuser. And now we are ready for all of the occasions. We are ready to be outside, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the video. Be sure to let me know your favorite curly girl products in the comment section. And without further ado, let's get right into the video.
Kids running around while I'm laying his hair. Edges on point with a little mama flair. Life's a whole movie, every scene on deck. Beauty and motherhood with Ashley Bedeck. We glow through the highs, laugh through the mess. Only be his family, a little finesse. Living every moment, come vibe, no stress. Hit subscribe and ride with the best. Yeah. Ashley Bedeck. Yeah. Family love, we locked in. Yeah. Let's ride. Family on my mind every sunrise. Do it for the ones with the bright eyes. Hold it down, never fall, keep the love tight. We gon' shine, yeah, we alright. Family on my mind through the long nights. Heart full, yeah, that's when my strength lies. Ain't nothing in the world like these good vibes. We gon' shine, yeah, we alright. Wake up, grind mode, mama gotta move. Kids in the backseat, dancing to the groove. Husband by my side, yeah, he never lose. We built this bond tight, something you cannot do. Big dreams, little feet running through the halls. Messy little rooms, but they're worth it all. Packed days, but I answer every call. Family over everything that's lost. Late nights, long rides, everybody fed. Blessings on blessings, I keep us ahead. Laughing in the kitchen till the tears get shed. Love so strong, it'll knock you dead. Family on my mind every sunrise. Do it for the ones with a bright eye. Hold it down, never fold, keep the love tight. We gon' shine, yeah, we alright. Family on my mind through the long nights. Heart full, yeah, that's when my strength lies. Ain't nothing in the world like these good vibes. We gon' shine, yeah, we alright. Dance mom days, big bows on deck. Sports mom nights, whole crowd on flex. Running up miles, but I never feel stressed. Cause I do it for the fam, yeah, I know we blessed. Switch lanes quick when the schedule tight. Still show love when we kiss goodnight. Kiss on 10, but the vibe still right. Home full of joy, yeah, we shining bright. House loud, but the love stay louder. Heart strong, but the family make it prouder. This kind of bond got unshakable power. Every single day, yeah, we grow like flowers. Yeah, I feel the love surround me. Yeah.
Feel the bass in my heartbeat. We gon' be alright. I've been dreaming bigger than the room I'm in. They see the smile but don't know where I've been. Young heart, heavy thoughts in my chest. Still moving forward, never settling. They said slow down, I said watch me go. Every step I take, yeah, I'm finding my flow. Had doubts in my head at nights, feeling low. But the vision too clear, I can't move too slow. Yeah, yeah. Hands in the air, feel the moment rise. We don't need much, just faith tonight. Every move sink to the flashing lights. If you feel this now, you're living life. We on the move, yeah, we don't stay still. Feel that beat, yeah, you know the drill. Heart so loud, can't ignore that feel. When the song come on, yeah, the whole room feels it. On the move, yeah, we don't stay still. From the pain to the shine, yeah, it all feel real. If you dreaming like me, put your hands up high. Let it move your soul, let it take you sky high. I remember days when they slept on me. Now they vibing now when I step on beat. Same kids, same goals, new energy. Turn the moments into memories.
Okay, love bugs, we are done with this look, and I am watching some of that like soft white underbelly. I don't know, feels me pleasure to watch like crime investigation shows. I don't know, somehow, some way it relaxes me, and I don't think that's what's crime. Anyways, I'm done with the look, and I feel like I am back. The last couple of days I've been all natural in my own afro around the house. You guys know how it is at one time of the month, or the one little area in the month where you can't do nothing. So I feel like I'm officially back to life. This beautiful girl, as you already know, came from Unice, and she did not disappoint. Now, I love a good simple wig like this because she's easy, very easy to maintain. You can literally wet her down and go. As you guys seen, I started off with just a light bit of just water, and especially like after putting a good amount of product in it on the first day, you just add a little bit of water, have a little spray bottle at your countertop, and you will be able to reactivate the product that's already in there, good to go. It's a wave more than a curl, so you'll be able to get your fingers through it, or even like a brush through it, super simple and easy. You don't gotta like detangle or anything like that, and you are good to go. I like the cut on this one, it's super fun. As we get into the hotter months, it's so much easier to maintain something that's a little bit shorter and a little bit less weight on that back. But also, you guys know, I'm gonna take it in a bust down middle part, 22 inch, 24 inch, maybe even 26 inch as well. But again, having the versatility to switch it up is definitely top tier. Now this one has the upgraded drawstring as well as the upgraded adjustable strap in the middle. Nice and paper thin, that way it's seamless but also glueless, and it fulfills that anti-slip so that the wig stays in place. Now something I prefer is a little bit of baby hair, and I wanted it to give more natural and wispy, and I hope I executed it well. I am gonna put the melt belt back on it after this, as I am of course a dance mom headed to the dance studio immediately after this, and so having that melt belt on there will kind of like be able to like hold it and mold it in place, because I don't want it to be like gelled down, but I wanted something that would like open up the hairline and give it even more of a pre-plucked vibe, as this is a pre-everything cap construction. They did the work for us, so I didn't want to kind of like counter that and go in and be plucking. There's no need to. So I like baby hair, and I like to open it up and make it look even more plucked like this. This is a step you can skip if you wish, but something that I never skip on is tinting the lace. I was in the beauty supply store the other day reading up on the kids, the girls hair stuff, their braiding hair and all of that, and I seen some new lace tints in there. I was already over budget on their stuff, so I just said forget about my stuff. But today I think I'm gonna go in and treat myself to some new lace tints. I think I love these forever, like they're my favorite, especially having them in different colors. They just match really well, but I know you guys like to see a little bit of versatility, so I may try something new later this week to see if there is anything better on the market. But so far out of the decade plus that I've been doing hair tutorials, I'm gonna head out. Be sure to check this one out. Of course, I have a direct link and all the details to this beautiful girl in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.